Mastering Data Interpretation for GRE Quantitative Reasoning. Hello there, dear learners. Welcome back to our GRE Test-Taking Strategies series. Today, we're diving deep into quantitative reasoning, specifically focusing on data interpretation. By the end of this video, you'll have some powerful tips under your belt to tackle these questions with confidence. Let's get started. Data interpretation in the GRE focuses on your ability to comprehend, analyze, and interpret data presented in various forms such as tables, graphs, and charts. The first step to mastering these questions is to understand the type and nature of the data being presented. Charts and graphs often show relationships between variables. Look for trends, patterns, and outliers. Tables offer raw data. Your task is to understand, compare, or compute based on this information. Remember, always read the legends and axes labels carefully. 1. Skim first, analyze later. Before diving deep, take a moment to skim the data source. Get a general sense of what's going on. 2. Focus on the question. It's easy to get lost in the plethora of information. Always direct your attention to what the question is specifically asking. This will help you filter out unnecessary data. 3. Estimate when needed. Sometimes, close estimation is better than a perfect calculation. The GRE often has answer choices spread out enough that an estimate can easily lead you to the right answer. 4. Use your scratch paper. Jotting down key numbers or drawing quick visuals can provide clarity, especially when comparing data points. 5. Stay calm and logical. Data can be overwhelming. Take a deep breath, break the data down step by step, and approach the question logically. Overanalyzing. Not every piece of data is crucial. Don't waste time analyzing every detail. Misreading data. Small errors like confusing percentage with a whole number can lead to wrong answers. Double-check if unsure. Guessing blindly. Even if unsure, use the data to make an educated guess. Eliminate clearly wrong options first. And there we have it. The world of data interpretation can initially seem vast and intimidating, but with these strategies in hand, you're now better equipped to conquer it. Remember, practice is key. The more you familiarize yourself with different data types and questions, the better you'll get. Wishing you all the very best in your GRE journey. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.